The very first question that I would like to ask you, students, every language has an inventor. Well, who is the inventor of the language of Java? Anyone? Can you answer? Isita, I can see the first name, Saurav, Arup,
James Gosling, sir.
James Gosling, sir. Who has answered? I can see your name.
Sam Saurabh.
Saurav Roy has answered. James Gosling invented the language of Java. By the way, Saurav, I'm going to ask you another question because you have answered the very first question. And the second question is, um, can you tell me in which year? It may not be exact. In which year Java was invented? Do you know this?
So 92, I think, sir.
92. Okay. Okay. Actually, in my knowledge, I think it was invented in
92 or
94 or
94.
95, something like that.
Yes.
Yeah. By the way, I am actually informing all the students that your instructor who is teaching you Java right now started learning Java in 2001. But that is not important for you. And the Java version that I used was Java 1.2.1. Okay, in 2001, I started learning Java actually. Well, this is 2021, I'm teaching you Java. So, James Gosling invented Java. And the knowledge of Java is extremely important for all of you. But many students will say, sir, Python is more important, sir. It has become more popular. Student, there is an index known as TIOBE index. What is that? Let me show you. Look at this. Look at this. This is interesting. You have to type in at Google TIOBE language index. TIOBE, TIOBE language index. And on the basis of popularity, the languages are ranked. Students, please take a look at this. You will find this is interesting. So which one you see at the top? Python. Then C. But C's popularity is going a little down. Just take a look at this. Then the third one is Java. By the way, students, you should not think that Python has always topped the chart. For a long time, Java was actually at the top position. Okay, but recently Python has become very popular nowadays. But let me tell you something. The first language that you are learning should not be Python. You know why? Because this language is extremely flexible. And flexibility will make you a brat, means a very bad child, who is ill disciplined, who is not at all disciplined. Java is a very disciplined language. If you learn Java first and then if you learn Python, it would be better. It would be better for you because Java is a very disciplined language, but Python has high dose of flexibility. So it is my advice to all the young learners, immature and innocent learners, learn Java seriously. You will get huge benefit from here. And even if a company is working on Python or maybe JavaScript, they are also important languages. They will ask you questions from Java. You know why? Because they know that Java is a very disciplined language. And if a student has learned Java, it means the student has very solid knowledge in actually programming languages. So let us start with this. And The next question that I would like to ask you is this. You know, if you want to develop any application in Java, listen to this question, students. I am repeating it once again. If you want to develop any application in Java, there you need a software. Would you please tell me which software is essential, most essential at the time of developing an application in Java? Who is going to answer?
JDK, Java
Good.
Development Kit.
Once again, Saurabh, no, I think who has answered this? I have missed the name.
So I'm Saurabh.
Saurabh, yes. No, Saurabh has already answered this question. This is actually JDK. Saurabh, what is its full form?
Java Development Kit.
Yes, let me write its expansion, the Java Development Kit. Very good. The Java Development Kit. Saurabh, I have another question. Can you answer this, please?
Yes,
You
sir,
know
I will
which
try.
version of Java Development Kit is the most recent, Saurabh? Which is the latest?
So JDK 17.
JDK 17. Well, Saurabh, you are extremely knowledgeable person, I see. Do you know Java already? I mean, at least little bit of Java already, right?
Yes, sir, little bit.
Little bit. Okay, thank you. That will be really beneficial for you in learning Java further. I will teach you concepts in very depth, but there are many students I think who don't know anything about Java. Well, I would like to interact with them as well, and I will call your name. Well, now the Java Development Kit. This is the software that you need, actually, students, that you need. But I have some other general knowledge like questions. Well, the next question is, which company, would you please tell me the name of the company that is responsible for distributing, developing and distributing Java Development Kit?
Oracle.
Oracle,
Good.
sir.
Oracle. Oracle. By the way, here the story is not at an end. You will say, sir, are you teaching Java or invention of Java or company producing Java? These are also important questions in interviews. Many times these questions were asked actually. That is why I am interacting with you with these questions. The fact is that you have just told me the name of the company as Oracle. But you know, students, Oracle is the second owner of Java.
First owner was Sun Microsystems.
Good. The first owner was Sun Microsystem. Thank you for your answer. I am pleased. Sun Microsystem. Those who don't know this, please take note of this name. Sun Microsystem was later merged by Oracle. By the way, let me tell you something. You know, the last version of Java, okay, that was actually developed entirely by Oracle was Java 8. You must remember. Starting from Java 9, it has become a community edition. Students, would you please tell me what is a community edition?
Where other
Anyone?
developers can give input.
Where other developers can input.
Can give their input there how the program should be running. How can you develop more comfortably?
Okay. Well, you have given me some answer that is right. But let me consolidate the knowledge of community of Java. Every language has a community, student. Every language has a community. The fact is that even when you are speaking in Bengali, right? It's a natural language, and it's a natural language. Let me tell you. And you know, Java, it is known as a formal language. You can take note of this. It's really known as a formal language. But you can say programming language, but formal language is more formal way of saying it, identifying it. It's a natural language and Java is a formal language. Computer science students, they already know that this is a formal language, but students who belong to other departments, especially electrical or mechanical, they don't know what the hell is a formal language, but I'm saying this is a formal language. Okay, very good. Now, the fact is that when you are talking in Bengali, you know, Bengali language has many different community students, many different communities. For example, there is Bengali of Chattogram. You are familiar with it. It is very hard to understand. Bengali of Chattogram, that's the community. Okay, there is Bengali of maybe Kolkata. Okay, that's another community. Well, there are varieties of communities actually speaking in Bengali, and in different communities, the language is differing a little, right? Okay, for example, in Chattogram, it might be true that the word water is called in Chattogram maybe pani, and in Kolkata it may be jol. It might happen. So the same word is actually spoken in different ways by different communities. By the way, the language of Java also has a global community, students. A global community. Okay. There is a global community for the language of Java, and this global community has taken the responsibility of developing all the Java development kits starting from Java 9. Okay, starting from Java 9. The truth is that Oracle is helping. Oracle is helping the community. Okay, but this is the community's responsibility to maintain all the releases starting from Java version 9, and the most recent version is Java 17. Okay, and all of these versions are, you know, students, open source. Does anyone know what is open source?
Anyone can see their source code.
Exactly. Anyone can see the source code of the Java development kit, and anyone can edit. Anyone can edit. Any one of you can edit the Java development kit if you are interested in editing it. Well, students, I think this is understood by all of you. Actually, this is very simple to understand whatever I have just told you, and I will ask you all, please download JDK and install it. The very first day, I will show you how to download and install JDK. This is my way of teaching, students. This is my way of teaching. You know, first you have to get into the water, and then you have to start learning the rules of swimming. Get into the water first, okay, and then start learning the rules of swimming. This is very, very important, and let us make our hands dirty. Amara ekটু হাতটাকে নোংরা করি, okay? চল, okay, let's start with installing Java first. That is the first step. All the students are actually advised to install Java. What are we going to type in at the Google search bar? Just type in JDK download. Just type in JDK download, Java downloads Oracle. Okay. Just take a look at this, student. This is the browser Chrome. I am using the Chrome browser. And I have typed in here JDK download, and the very first link is from oracle.com. You can see very first link is from oracle.com, Java downloads. Just click on this link and a web page will appear, and you can see that these installers are actually categorized for your platform: Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. And I'm showing only for Windows because most of the students are familiar with it. Just click on Windows. Now there are three variations, students. Three variations: x64 compressed archive, x64 installer, x64 Microsoft x64 MSI installer, and you can download any one of them, but I will recommend for the beginners either download the second one or the third one, students. Either the second one or the third one. I think it will be better if you download the third one. It will be better if you download the third one, students. Acha, this is the screen of Sourmister. Now, breaking হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
স্যার আপনি অন্য বেতে চলে যান, এটা মিরর ইমেজ আসছে। আপনি ওই মাই ফাইলসে চলে যান নিচে।
ও আচ্ছা 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 আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ 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 ঠিক বলেছে। আচ্ছা এদিকে দেখ, দিস ইজ জেডিকে। JDK 17 C has downloaded. আচ্ছা, first of all you have to install it. So Mr. install কর, ডাবল ক্লিক কর। এই যে আমি নেক্সটে ক্লিক করলাম। এবার দেখ, সবাই দেখ কোথায় ইনস্টল হচ্ছে। সি ড্রাইভ, প্রোগ্রাম ফাইলস, জাভা, JDK 17.0.1। আমি এর উপরেও ড্রয়িং করেও দেখাতে পারি। আচ্ছা, ও এখন হচ্ছে না ড্রয়িংটা, ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা নেক্সট,
স্যার বলছি যে এই JDK 17 উইন্ডোজ x64 ওটা কি করব? ওটা রাইট ক্লিক করে?
ওটা রাইট ক্লিক না রে ইশিতা, আমি ডাবল ক্লিক করেছি।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
তুই ডাবল ক্লিক কর, করলে এই রকম একটা উইন্ডো খুলো। তুই উইন্ডোটা দেখতে পাচ্ছিস তো?
ইয়েস স্যার।
হ্যাঁ একদম একদম। এই প্রথমে একটু অসুবিধা হবে, তারপর ঠিক হয়ে যাবে সব। শর্মিষ্ঠা, এটা কি ইনস্টল হচ্ছে?
স্যার সেটা তো বুঝতে পারছি।
মানে আচ্ছা একটু টাইম নেয়, ঠিক আছে, যাবে একটু টাইম নেয়।
আমি ওই থার্ডটা যেটা বললেন ওটা তো ডাউনলোড করে এখানে রেখেছিলাম।
হ্যাঁ ডাউনলোড করে রেখেছিস, ওটাই তো আমি চালালাম।
হ্যাঁ স্যার ওইটাই।
হ্যাঁ আমি বলছি যে এই যে স্ট্যাটাস লেখা আছে না।
হ্যাঁ স্যার আমার স্ক্রিনও ফাইল দেখাচ্ছে, টাইম নিচ্ছে আই গেস।
আচ্ছা ওটা টাইম নেয়, জাভা টাইম নেয়। এইবার এসছে, ইয়েস। বাহ, এতক্ষণ ধরে চেক করলো। ইসিতা করছিস?
স্যার এখানে
ও,
বলছে
ঈশিতা।
যে হ্যাঁ এখানে বলছে যে দুটো অপশন দিচ্ছে, একটা বলছে ডেভেলপমেন্ট টুলস আর সোর্স কোড, আর তারপরে ইনস্টল টু সি প্রোগ্রাম ফাইলস জাভা জেডিকে 11.0.10 দেখাচ্ছে।
ডেভেলপমেন্ট টুলস মানে তুই ইনস্টলারটা চালালি প্রথমে। আচ্ছা ঈশিতা, তুই কি উইন্ডোজ এরটাই করেছিস তো ইনস্টল?
হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা, মানে ফাইলটা কি এরকম ছিল, জেডিকে 17 উইন্ডোজ x64 বিন? হ্যালো,
স্যার আরেকবার ট্রাই করছি, এখানে আমার বলছে প্রিপেয়ারিং টু ইনস্টল দেখাচ্ছে।
আচ্ছা এইখানে তুই তো ইনস্টলেশনটা দেখলি তো, যেটা
হ্যাঁ
আমি শর্মিষ্ঠার করলাম?
হুম
এটা কিন্তু একদম সহজ। তোকে খালি সিওর করতে হবে এই ব্রাউজারে,
এখানে দেখাচ্ছে এখন
এখানে শর্মিষ্ঠা থার্ড এরটা ডাউনলোড করেছে।
হ্যাঁ আমিও তাই, এখানে এখন
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে
দেখাচ্ছে
ঠিকই তো আছে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ইনস্টল দেখাচ্ছে, ইনস্টল জাভা এসি ডেভেলপমেন্ট কিট, তারপরে হলো স্টোরেজ লোকেশনটা দেখাচ্ছে। এবার
হ্যাঁ,
নেক্সট
এবার নেক্সট করে যা, তুই নেক্সট কর খালি।
হুম এবার স্ট্যাটাসে এবার ওটা গ্রিন হবে, ওটার জন্য ওয়েট করছি।
হুম, শর্মিষ্ঠার ইনস্টল হয়ে গেছে। এবার আমি নেক্সট স্টেপটা করব।
স্যার
বল।
হ্যাঁ এখানে দেখাচ্ছে যে জাভা ডেভেলপমেন্ট কিট 17 সাকসেসফুলি ইনস্টল, তারপর একটা দেখাচ্ছে নেক্সট স্টেপস বলে একটা অপশন, আর একটা ক্লোজ বলে অপশন দেখাচ্ছে।
নেক্সট স্টেপে ক্লিক কর।
ওকে তারপরে তো ওই জেডিকে 17 ডকুমেন্টেশন হোম পেজ ওভারভিউ টুলস এসব দেখাচ্ছে।
মানে ওগুলো ইনস্টল করতে বলছে, তুই ক্লোজ করে দে, লাগবে না।
হ্যাঁ এবার ক্লোজ করে দেব।
মানে ওখানে ক্লোজ আছে তো নাকি না নেক্সট
হ্যাঁ,
আছে?
ক্লোজ আছে।
ক্লোজ করে দে।
আচ্ছা করে দিয়েছি।
তোর হয়ে গেছে ইনস্টল।
আচ্ছা
আচ্ছা, এবারে জাস্ট ডু দ্য নেক্সট স্টেপ। এইখানে দিস পিসি দেখতে পাচ্ছিস সবাই? জাস্ট ক্লিক অন ইট। Now get inside C drive. There you will see program files. Inside program files, there you will see Java. Inside Java, there you will see JDK. Get inside it. Now, there will be a folder bin. Just click on this folder and get inside this folder. Okay, let me scroll down this and let me show you something. Look at this, Javak. I'm asking you, what is this thing, Javak? এটা কি স্বপ্নিল বলতে পারবি?
কম্পাইলার স্যার।
একদম, এটাই জাভার কম্পাইলার। By the way, you have to do now something. What is that? Just click here. Sachin, admit. And select this path. C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin. Please, students, select this path. This is the path where is the compiler. And I'm asking you to select this path. And then right click on it. And make a copy of this path. After you have done copying, right click on this PC and go to properties. It will open a window like this. And then type here ENVI, just that. And click on edit environment variables for your account. Just click on it. Okay. Now, do you see an option path? Students, I am waiting. You have to do this. If you ask me, sir, why am I doing it? I will tell you. But please do this first.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Now, select this path and click on the edit button. And then click on new. And then hit Ctrl V. Ctrl V means paste. Whatever you have copied, it will be pasted here. যে পাথটা কপি করলি সেই পাথটা এখানে পেস্ট হবে।
স্যার আরেকবার বলুন তো পাথটা কোথায় পাবো?
পাথটা কোথায় পাবি তার আগে আমাকে একটা কাজ করতে দে, এখানে একটু ওকে মারতে দে।
ঠিক আছে।
আরে না মারলেও হয়। দাঁড়া দাঁড়া আমি দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। এই যে পাথটা মানে সি ড্রাইভে যা, প্রোগ্রাম ফাইলসে যা, জাভাতে যা, জেডিকে তে যা, তারপর বিনে যা। গেছিস? বলবি গেছিস কিনা? সায়ন
প্রোগ্রাম ফাইলের পর জাভা